Hi to everyone, the weekend is over, but it was enough to work around Tecnologia Senza Paura. A couple of months ago, I launched the book on Amazon. It's available in Kindle and flexible version, and the companion website, so far available only in Italian. The news today is the website is totally refreshed with the new user interface and on top of that a new user experience where you have the chapter because as anticipated most of the book is available for free just on the website, practical help, visual guide, games, extra online, only online content related to the website, technology together, another idea just moved on this weekend, resources and altri lavori. As you see, this is the Italian version, but maybe you see there is already just a way to switch on English, because another news is all the content are also available in English, and I'm working on the English version of the book itself. So let's browse quickly what you have in Italian, and then jumping back to the English version, you have also of myself browse other project and click on that. You have the English version. Discover the book, start the journey, play now. Let's try, for example, start the journey. So you don't need to know everything, you need to know where to begin. This is on top of all. And what you see here, the selection is interactive, of course, what you select. And here you can filter according to the chapter. It's a quick way to explore the content without a specific approach. The content are also available for young explorers, adult allies, or do it together. Do it together is an idea I had just traveling today. To work and workshop for 2 or more people. How many people? Place, the time, and if you see below what you select, change the game you need to approach. And here you can choose also the mission and the path before to move on. And the group mission is reported here. Next mission, previous mission, of course you must start from somewhere. Other content are available clicking and exploring the chapter, but I believe if you need some more information, you can drop me just a message.